Hi, a little bit more information on Nutshell connector. So if you click on More in your Get Data, this will bring up the list of your data sources, and Nutshell should be one of them. So this is assuming that you have already installed the connector on your machine. So this connector, which I'm using now, it is already signed in to one of the Nutshell's accounts that I have. So the sign-in has to be done as part of the code in the connector, because with uncertified connectors, there is no way of providing the interface for, well, basically for basic authentication. So because of this, we have to do it as part of the code. Now, the way the data looks, it's in a nested format, meaning that there is a table within all of these cells. So if we click on accounts and bring this in, you will see that we have to expand this table in order to find the data that we can work with. So let's not use original column name and click OK. So this way you see all data that we have available. Some of it is still in the nested format, so you have to open it once again. This is basically the format which you get from the API. So the reason why it's still nested is because, well, this is the way Nutshell are storing their data. So if we go to Nutshell API documentation, which is this, and we go to accounts table, you will see that the column names here match entirely what is in our table. So another useful thing to know is for the nested data. For example, here we have creator, which contains a table. Within creator, you will find the following columns, column names, and values. So the same if you scroll to the right and you find creator. If you try to expand this, you'll find the same column names, which will contain the same values. So let's take a look at some other data that we have available. And let's take something more interesting. So for example, the leads table. What is interesting about it is that it contains the custom fields. So not only the default fields available, but also the custom fields that you can add manually on your Nutshell, and the sales rep would have to fill those in, to give you a bit more information on the type of leads that you're getting. And once this is done, you'll be able to extract these leads as well. These columns as well. So we have brought up the list of columns, and the ones that we need is called custom fields. So you see that there is a column here, and if we select this one, actually let's use the view menu to navigate to it. So custom fields. This will contain all the custom columns that you have. So in my case, I have project duration, project ID, and external or internal. So yes, this data is available as well. Quick note, you may not see all the custom fields available here. So in case you don't see it, just click on Load More, and this will bring up the full list. So in terms of other tables that we have available under Nutshell, so just to demonstrate to you that all the tables work, we have account types, activities, which is a little bit slow, activity types, competitions, contracts, leads, milestones, product sources, stage sets, territories, and users. In terms of going through the available data, I think that's the most convenient way for you to do it is by going to this website, which is API documentation. I'm going to entities and relationships. So if you scroll down, you will find the full list of tables available for Nutshell. And you'll be able to match the table name with what we have in our connector. So this is it. This gives you a good overview of what data is available under our Nutshell connector. It's obviously working with a data gateway, so if you want to completely automate your data flow to your Power BI reports, you can totally do this. The only caveat is that you will need to install a data gateway. So this is it, and please let me know if you find this interesting. Thank you.